You guys know that I'm obsessed with liquid liners. So this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This packaging looks beautiful. Look at this beautiful purple. I did try it out, but I wanted to do it on camera so you guys see what it looks like. I will swatch it for you, also try it on. This does retail for $18 and you get 0.8 ounces. So it claims to be long-lasting, waterproof, and full pigment formula. Highly saturated, true black matte shade. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, it's very nice. It's not your typical black packaging. It says it's cruelty-free and vegan. Super fluid water-based gel formula, glides on effortless. This is what it looks like. Super long. It does have a nice, like, sharp brush. Alright, let's try it because I haven't used it for a while, so let's see how it works. First, let me do a swatch for you so you can see. A lot of people love a matte liner, so do I. So that part is fine. You could do it as thin or as thick as you want. We all have different preferences when it comes to eyeliner. Now I'm going to try and do the wing. So as I remember from last time, that is the part that is most difficult for me. I have a hard time with the wing regardless of the eyeliner, but some I could just do it so much smoother, like the e.l.f. one or like the Kat Von D one. This one just gives me a little bit more of a hard time, and the more I try to fix it, the thicker it is. But as you see, it does have a really nice matte finish to it. It's beautiful and super pigmented. This is black. Running, like the one from Ico, it could be runny. This looks good. I have worn it all day though, and no fading, there is no running, so that is true. Just do the other eye. Alright, so all in all, I'm not saying it's a bad product. It's just my personal opinion. It's hard for me to work at the wing area, but it's really gorgeous if you're looking for something super matte and black, and this is just so pretty. So I'm just gonna put on some lashes so you can see how it looks. Alright, so that's what it looks like, lashes on. It is a really nice formula, I must say. Just the applicator, it's a little hard for me. I've also reviewed the Ico one and the one from Fenty Beauty if you're interested, and I've also done like tutorials showing you how I do liner using my two favorite, which is the e.l.f. and the Maybelline. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!